Why y'all ain't got a pharmacy growing a bucket yet? Now, let me say this. Y'all steady running to the store for everything. Headache store, sinus store, food store. Baby, we got so dependent on convenience, we forgot half of the stuff that grew out the ground. And don't let them grocery store prices hit $3 for one pepper for something I can grow in a bucket on my patio. Nah, that ain't just sitting right with me. So look, this is why I tell all beginner gardeners, you need cayenne pepper, you need jalapeños in your garden. This ain't just food. This is a whole pharmacy in a plant. And this the part people don't talk about enough. Cayenne pepper, baby, that ain't just spice. That's support for your body. That heat in it, that's what gets your blood flowing better. It helps with circulation. It helps fight inflammation. So all that soreness, stiffness, body ache, it can support that. It's real good for digestion too. It gets your system moving like it's supposed to. And when you sick, congested, stuffed up, baby, cayenne will clear all that out real quick. That's why I said this ain't just food. This is a whole little home remedy growing in a bucket. And jalapeno, don't sleep on them either. They got vitamin C in them, so they help support your immune system. They can help boost your metabolism, so your body actually is burning through food better. It's good for your heart too. It helps support a healthy blood flow. Because baby, we need a good blood flow through our heart to get to our lungs and our other organs. And listen, you ever had a stuffed nose and you ate something spicy? That's your sinuses opening up. This is the crazy part. Y'all spend all this money on medicine for all this, but you won't go get you a bucket and grow the plants that naturally support you. If your soil ain't right, your plant ain't right either. And I'm growing all of this in a bucket on a patio with the same soil mix I showed y'all in the last video. So go watch that. It's super easy. Just drop your plant in, cover it up, and water it. That's it. Now, if you the type of person, oh my gosh, I gotta start from seed, baby, go to the store and get you some seeds and start. But me, I'm being lazy and I'm just gonna transplant everything for right now. But that's it. When I tell y'all, you don't need no backyard for this, you don't. I'm growing all of this on a patio in $2 buckets. This is something my daddy taught me when I was a little girl. I used to go over his house all the time, and everything we ate, baby, it came from his garden. My great-grandparents were sharecroppers. They weren't running to no grocery store every day. They grew it, they made it work. Now look at us. Everything is processed, quick, and convenient, and our health is paying for it. That's not right. This is why I said, nah, I'm gonna just bring this back, just in a modern way. You don't need land, you need a decision. This ain't just a garden. This is a grocery store and a pharmacy in a bucket. Now, I ain't saying don't ever go to the doctor, but I am saying God gave us everything we needed in the land. If you're trying to build your own little pharmacy or grocery store at home, and you want to see how I grow herbs in one bucket and get them to go stupid crazy, just comment herbs because I got y'all. If you enjoy content like this, follow Grow for more, and also save this video so you can always have something to refer back to. And y'all know we don't gatekeep around here, so go ahead and share this with your friends so they can go ahead and start their bucket garden and pharmacy as well, because baby, gotta hold each other accountable in 2026.